Wow, that really dropped. That is one heavy bale. Oh my. It's so low, the exhaust is pretty much touching the ground. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys are doing well. Today, we are going to be feeding half of our bale. We fed the other half the other day, so there's only half the bale left, but since it's so muddy, all the snow has dried up, we have to use a chainsaw to cut it open so we can flake it off for the cows, because it's so muddy. When we try to unroll it, it just slides on the ground, so we can't unroll it. So we're gonna use a chainsaw to flake it off. I'm gonna go over to the farm and I'm gonna grab the chainsaw, and then I'm gonna come back. And then we actually just had a bale dropped off here because we're looking to buy some bales, but we don't know if we want to yet. So we were gonna take the bale that he dropped off as like a sample. We're gonna take it and we're gonna go weigh it and just see kind of what it weighs, so we have an idea of how much we're paying per pound. And then we're gonna feed it another time. But the hay looks really, really good on the inside so far from what we've seen, so that's a good sign. So we're thinking about buying a semi-load, which would be $3,200, which is pretty expensive, but we're gonna do that. It would be about 22 bales, I think, on a semi, because of how big they are. They're 5 foot, or they're 6 foot by 5 foot wide. So I'm gonna go grab the chainsaw at the farm, and then I'll see you guys once I get back over here. This is the bale that we are going to be feeding. This is the one that we're testing out to see if it's good hay. And from what I'm seeing right here, it looks really nice. The outside is what you guys are seeing, which doesn't look very good, but right, like on the inside there, it looks really good. So we're gonna pick this up with the tractor and put it in my truck. See how bad it squats it.
We're gonna go weigh the head bill.
Oh yeah.
I just want to see what each bale weighs.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take this. We're gonna take the bale, put it in the bed of the truck, take it to an elevator right down the road over there, and we're gonna weigh the bale and just see what it weighs, so we know kind of how much money we're spending per pound on the bale, to make sure that we're not getting ripped off, or just to see what it is. Alright guys, we never went and actually weighed that bale because it was way too heavy for my truck, and we were afraid that we were gonna break something in my truck. So we were going to put it in our F-250 diesel, but we couldn't get it started, so we're gonna have to replace those batteries, but we couldn't get to that right away. My dad ended up weighing it on his own while I was at school, so I never got it on video. Alright guys, we're taking the bale out because we don't want it to sit in here any longer, because like, it's so low, the exhaust is pretty much touching the ground. So we're gonna take this out. Is that good? Yep.
ahead and come around and grab this with the front.
Okay. Ready to head up to the hill to feed another bale to the fall herd. We're gonna give them a prairie hay bale. It's a little off on this side. That other one's like stuck to it. Oh, there we go. They were froze together. Yeah, they were froze together. They really need 2 bales?
Well, then we won't have to do nothing for them tomorrow.
All right. Up, 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 up. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Hey. Move. Wow, they like to get tangled up in the twine, don't they? There's not even twine on here. It's already like cut.
Well, we lost some of it, but there's still some on there.
Up, up.
Cut this. We're wrapped around there.
Up, 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 up. Let's go. Yeah, I don't think there's any more twine back here. Is there some? Is there some over there? I think we got it all. Well, maybe. You might have to go in reverse. It's getting stuck. Okay, now try it. There we go. She's one of our oldest cows, number 32. She's looking really, really skinny. These were the cows that we just weaned 2 videos ago. If you guys haven't seen that, go check that out. We weaned the calves off of them about a week ago from tomorrow. All right, guys, we just got both the bales put into there. When we picked up the bale earlier, some flaked off, so my dad carried it into here and he put it on the ground there in the driest spot he could find. So the cows will find that and they'll eat that up. But I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. It really means a lot. I hope you guys will go and check out my other videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.